Good morning, 8th class. Today we are going to start chapter number 3. It is understanding quadrilaterals. Very first topic of this chapter is polygons. You have done that in class 7 also. A simple closed curve made up of line segments only is called polygon. For example, triangle, a quadrilateral, it is a polygon. Any other example, if I take a pentagon having 5 sides, see these three are closed figures. The ending point and the beginning point, the starting point and the ending point of all these three figures are same, means the point where the figure starts, it ends at the same point. See, now if I draw another figure, in this figure also the point where this figure gets started and the figure gets ended, it starts and ends at the same point, but this figure is not considered as polygon because the word simple closed figure, simple closed curve is mentioned here. This can be called a closed curve, but it cannot be called a simple closed curve. Whenever in any figure it cross itself, the lines of the figure are crossing itself, then it cannot be called a simple closed figure. These are types of simple closed figure, not this one. If any figure like this are given, like its line segments are crossing itself, then we cannot say that the figure is simple. Okay, so simple closed curve made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Now next topic is diagonals. A diagonal is a line segment connecting two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. For example, if I take this polygon, it's a type of rectangle. If I take this polygon, there are four vertices here. Just take the vertices as A, B, C and D. There are four vertices. Vertices means where the two line segments intersect each other, or where the two line segments meet each other. A is the point where line segment AD and AB intersect each other. B is the point where line segment AB and CB meet each other, and similarly C is a point where the two line segments meet each other, and D is also a vertex. So there are four vertices here. Now non-consecutive, here the word non-consecutive is used, means the points or vertices which don't come one after other, like A and B, these are consecutive vertices, but A and C are not consecutive vertices. So if I join these non-consecutive vertices, we get a diagonal. So AC is a diagonal, and we can get one more diagonal here, D and B. These are also non-consecutive vertices. So if I join these two vertices, I get one more diagonal, diagonal BD. So in this figure there are two diagonals. If I take one more example, I am taking an example of a pentagon. This is a pentagon, that means the figure having 5 sides. Let it be A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now let's try to make diagonals here. A and B are consecutive vertices, but we have to take non-consecutive vertices. So let's join this point A with C, because A and C are non-consecutive. A and D are also non-consecutive, so it can be joined with D also. Now B can be joined with E and D. Now C is already joined with A and it can be joined with E. Now next point is D. D is already joined with its non-consecutive vertices, and E is also already joined with its non-consecutive vertices. So this is how we draw diagonals in polygon. Now next topic is regular and irregular polygons. Regular polygons means all the sides of that polygon will be equal. And one more thing, all the angles of that polygon will be equal. So in any regular figure, all the angles and all the sides are equal. Like a regular polygon is both equiangular and equilateral. Equilateral means a figure in which all the sides are equal, and equiangular means a figure in which all the angles are equal. But if any figure is equiangular and equilateral both, then it is called a regular figure. For example, if I draw a square, you know that a square has four equal sides. This is a square, it's all the sides are equal. Okay, so it is equilateral. And second thing, its all angles are of 90 degree. It is equiangular also. That means this is a regular figure. A regular figure has all the sides equal and all the angles equal. Now if I draw a rectangle, what about rectangle? Will it be a regular figure? In this, the property is opposite sides are equal. This side and this side have equal measures, and this side and this side have equal measures. So opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. That means it is not equilateral. The second thing, if I draw the angles, all the angles of rectangle are 90 degree. Whenever you draw a rectangle, its angle are of 90 degree, all the angles. Okay, so this figure is not a regular figure just because its sides are not equal. Okay, now if I draw a triangle, you have already done equilateral triangles in class 7. A triangle is called equilateral when its three sides are equal, and you know that if in any triangle the three sides are equal, three angles are also equal. And what is the measure of each angle of equilateral triangle? That is 60 degree. All the three angles of equilateral triangle are of 60 degree.